Hi ladies, welcome to God Given. Right now I'm going to show you my minimal everyday makeup routine. And so when we think minimal, we're thinking like BB cream, some type of tint or moisturizer. So I'm going to start out with this Maybelline Dream Tint Moisturizer, Tinted Moisturizer. So I'm going to use one of these sponges I got off of Amazon. So I got the makeup on my hand. So I'm using the medium deep and the light medium, and I'm mixing them together on the back of my hand. It's just BB cream for our minimal makeup we want to wear to work. I already have some moisturizer and shimmer on my face. For my last video I did on 4 must-haves for mature women. So there will be a link at the end of this video to that one. Or just scroll my channel, you'll see it on there. So I'm just going to blend it gently with this sponge, damp sponge. I don't want to do too much because it kind of takes it off. So next we're going to apply some concealer. It's Maybelline Fit Me in Sand Sable. So of course we don't want to put on too much concealer because we already, or we're using you guys know what I'm trying to say, don't you? Because we're just using a tinted moisturizer, so of course we don't want too much concealer. But this Maybelline Fit Me is really light. It's not thick like some concealers, which is no problem if that's what you want, but I just want to let you know that it's a lightweight, but it works and it doesn't crease. That's what I like about it. I always use the extra under my eyes to go over my eyes. Now we're going to blend it with the sponge. Gentle, because this sponge can really take off all your makeup. If you're not lightly with it, doesn't. If you're not light with it, you're too heavy-handed. I like the sponge, it feels good. And so now I'm going to use some cream blush. I could have used contour. I'm going to use this cream blush by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the color, I think it's rose. Everything's going to be in the description box, so just going to put a little color. This is great, especially if you're going to work and just don't want to look like you got a lot of makeup on. That's what we're going to do. Now using our blush brush, we're going to blend it. All the way to your hairline. So the next thing we're going to do, one of my favorite things, is use some blush. We're going to put this blush on our eyelids. So just going to take a small brush. There's a brush on here. So first I want to put it on with my fingertips. And I put some more on the back of my hand. I'm going to use this brush to wipe it off. I'm just going to dab it in my eyelids. Okay, so next I want to do my eyebrows right fast. Got to do our eyebrows. Unless you have tattoo eyebrows or something. Slightly, we don't want anything too obvious. So that's it right there. You can run out the door right there. Run out the door if you want. If you're like me, I like lining my waterline. This is a black brown Covergirl, my favorite pencil. I like lining my waterline because it makes it look like I have extra long eyelashes or mascara on. So that's minimal makeup right there. Of course, we're going to put on some lip gloss. So I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses. I'm going to put this on first. Because I'm wearing red, I'm going to use this red lip gloss. Just provide a little tint. Of course, you want to make sure you blend it well. I don't know how much you need that with the BB Cream, but this Urban Decay All-Nighter. So that's it, ladies. Minimal makeup. Next up, I'm going to show you how to slim down a chubby face. You want to see that? Stay tuned for the next video.